Welcome back as we proceed to demonstrate the making of a typical gasket. Pre-made gaskets are not always available, and a fitter or mechanic may often have to resort to making a gasket when required. The making of a non-metallic gasket can be effected with basic hand tools. For purposes of demonstration, we have selected vellumoid. Notice that one side of the material is unprinted. The other side is printed. On the printed side, you will find a size marking, which refers to the thickness of the material. Having decided on the thickness required, the next step is to cut out a piece of material a little larger than the size of the joint to be sealed. Next, we have to make an impression of the shape of the gasket. This can be done by marking on the plain side of the material using an old gasket or with the facing component itself as a template. Now, select a bell punch or hollow punch to match the bolts or studs diameter. Carefully punch out each hole. Note that the end grain of a timber block is used to prevent dulling the punch. When the fastener holes have been made, then carefully cut out the outer shape with a pair of sharp scissors or shears. Next, slice a cross at the center of the inner hole, then cut out the inside detail. Check that your gasket aligns to the facing, and you've completed the manufacture of a simple paper gasket. After the break, we shall demonstrate another method of making a gasket.